So in this video, we will see how to integrate Google reCAPTCHA for a website. So let's say we will add Google reCAPTCHA over here in this domain. So we first need to search reCAPTCHA on Google, and we will go to this reCAPTCHA link, and it will redirect us in this interface. It sometimes if you not signed in into Google account, so you may have to sign in first into your Google account. So I already have signed in the Google account, so this interface is directly show over here. So in from this interface, we will go to v3 admin console, this option, and here we are seeing the I already have 8 sites under this my Google account. So these are already integrated domain. So I will now add a new domain over here. For that, I need to click the create option first, and it will ask a level from me. So it suggests a example.com. So let's say we will share our host name over here. So this is our host name. We copy and paste it here. Now we will choose reCAPTCHA type, and this is the score based v3 and challenge v2. So we will select challenge v2, and we will choose I am not a robot checkbox over here. So if you select I am not robot, so there will be a checkbox which will be I am not robot checkbox. So we select this option I am not a robot checkbox, and this is we need to put our domain here. So this is our domain, and we will leave this project name as it is. So we click the submit button, and it will provide us a site key and a secret key for our Google reCAPTCHA information. So we will copy this site key, and we will paste the site key over here. So this is our site key option, and we will paste it here, and we all go to the reCAPTCHA page and copy the secret key, and we will paste the secret key option over here. Then we just active the Google reCAPTCHA status and update it. So our Google reCAPTCHA information is up to date. So we will check it over there. So there is already error in already error. That means it's not registered to the Google, and we will now reload the page, and the error has removed, and the I am not a robot checkbox is visible over here. That means our Google reCAPTCHA is successfully implemented to our domain. So this is how you can add Google reCAPTCHA on your website. So thank you for watching this video.